So in this video, we're going to see how to update a record using ID. Let's go ahead and add some functionality in the controller. So I'm in my controller file. I'll say var update, which would be a function. Before updating a record, I should fetch that record first. So I'll say movie.findById. As usual, ID would be coming from the parameter from the URL, and which has a callback function. So if there is an error, we're going to say status 404 not found as usual, and then if there is no error, we're going to update this model. Now movie dot title is going to be request dot body dot title movie dot same way for all the properties. The last property is released. Finally, I'm going to say movie dot save, which again has a callback function. Say if there is no error, I'm going to say response dot send 204. Okay, I'm going to say 200 response dot, oh, this is not sent, rather it's status. The model itself. Else just send it as an error 500. That failed. That's all pretty much. So first we are finding that movie by ID. We use find by ID function. If we are able to find a movie in the database, we are updating its title with the request.body.title, whatever user is going to update with, and then genre and all the properties pretty much except ID. Underscore ID is the property that we're not supposed to update it. So except that one, I'm updating rest of the properties of this movie object, and then finally I'm gonna save by calling the save function on that movie. Let's go ahead and test this. So we are not yet ready for testing because I need to expose it. Say update, and lastly I need to add a route because the user would be making a request using an ID. So in this section I need to add. So I'll say dot, this is gonna be a put request. So we'll be updating our model using put request rather than post. Say movies controller dot update. That's pretty much. Let's go ahead and test it. I'm in my Postman client. So I want to update this record. So let's go ahead, just copy it, say put, we don't need this ID, neither we need this underscore we. So I'm just gonna make from this crime to drama, or make it comedy or anything, and say Israel is to be false, and then just, that's it. So let me hit send. Okay, so I might be doing something wrong here. It says unexpected token somewhere. So I've written a bunch of code, so somewhere we might be missing it. Okay, this comma is what it's making the problem. So now let's see whether it got updated. So it's 9, the rating is 9, and it is false, it's comedy. So we are good with update request. So now again let me update this record. I just want to update only this is released property. I'll just remove everything. I'll say true for the same record. Let me send, okay, comma, yeah. Oh, we have lost those three properties. There is no title, no genre, or no rating. This is the problem with put request, so it's going to update the entire object. Uh, so we are not sending the genre and the title properties. It has removed everything. So we're going to fix this issue in our next video using batch request.